Finally done a case swap on the HP Omen 25L. When I case swapped it, the motherboard kind of, or the PCIe slot kind of ripped off, so that's why I had to switch motherboards. But if you avoid doing that, then it should be fine. You should be able to case swap. This is the 25L version. There's like a 30L and there's another version. But usually, or I case swap because the parts were running pretty hot, and like just wanting longevity of the parts, I swap cases with the new power supply on the bottom and then a new CPU cooler. I'll put the links on the motherboard and the case, but it might be kind of expensive depending on what your budget is. And originally, when I ran games, my CPU would go up to 70 to 60, maybe sometimes 80, and my GPU around 70 to 60. Now just idle temps were around 50 to 60 for CPU, and then GPU were around 40. When I case swapped with the new CPU cooler and new case, my temperatures went from 60 to 70 under stress to now 41, maybe sometimes to 45, around that range. And for GPU, it's kind of gone hotter, but I've had Black Ops 3 running for a pretty long amount of time, and my GPU might be kind of like a little dusty, so just cleaning up the dust and stuff will probably fix your temperatures. But case swapping was a good idea because the case was kind of cramped, and very little airflow, and the CPU was kind of like trash. It would barely cool down anything, so I think it was a good idea. But it might take time because of certain reasons, like if you're struggling with something or cable management. But it's better if you case swap than leave your HP Omen, because it's kind of runs a little too hot. And if you want to keep your parts for a long time, I think you should case swap. I'll put the links of the YouTubers and like parts I used in the description. Thank you for watching my video.